This is the new RHP bearing. In measuring the rollers very carefully, I've discovered that there is no endfloat, virtually no endfloat, when the rollers are held in place. I cannot induce any movement there. Yet, if I do that same movement with the reproduction, there is massive endfloat. So that should cure the problem, no doubt. Not quite, because, watch. This is a brand new high-speed, a new 5th gear, high gear, never seen service, as I was saying before. And carefully doing that reveals still this perplexing endfloat. The only way to fix it is to machine that face, that face there by an ever so small amount. So what I'm going to do, what I propose to do, is put this new RHP bearing in very carefully, and then put this in, and if it still displays the amount of slop, then I can spin off a little bit of that face, of that bearing surface there. What I really don't understand though is, this is the original one of those. This has about 2 thou of wear on that bearing surface where it touches the rollers, but it still displays that same amount of slop.